What is this herb and the ones behind me, what do they have in common? They help with diabetes. Join me for a hands-on herbal medicine making workshop where you'll learn the essentials of managing diabetes with clinically proven plants. Diabetes is wreaking havoc in our community, and let's face it, the medications are not a long-term sustainable solution. Ultra-processed foods, high stress, and our sedentary lifestyles are a few of the contributing forces that can lead to a pre-diabetes or diabetes diagnosis. Luckily, there are many herbs that help with prevention, support, and reversal of type 2 when combined with healthy habits. So during our time together, you'll learn an overview of how your body manages balanced glucose and insulin levels, what disrupts this balance, and what happens when the body really struggles to manage itself properly. You'll learn herbs for insulin resistance, glucose management, immunity, and heart health. You'll take home tips on delicious and simple food swaps. You'll learn mindful exercises for managing stress, so you learn how to healthily ride the temporary emotional waves instead of reaching for a sugar-spiking food. You'll learn about foods and herbs that are available at our very own DeKalb Farmers Market, which is right up the street. You'll learn how to understand nutrition and ingredient labels so you don't get duped by clever marketing. And you'll also learn about the healthy sugar substitutes, the ones that are whole foods, not ingredients that have been simply isolated and derived from plants that have harmful long-term side effects. Together, we'll make medicine, sip tea, chat, and develop a 3-month plan to lowering your A1c by your next doctor's visit.